On the right side of the screen, you will find the volume controls. You can turn the volume of the computer up and down, and there's a number in the center that indicates the volume. You can also mute the computer by pressing Mute Audio. At the bottom left of the screen, there is a wireless microphone power button. You can use the wireless microphones to record your voice. The wireless microphone is located in the safety box attached to your podium. You can contact classroom support to receive the code to gain access. There should be 2 wireless microphones plugged into the charging dock. Take the microphone from its charging dock and place the lanyard around your neck. Removing the microphone from the docking station will automatically unmute it. Make sure that the microphone is also turned on the control panel. Remove the microphone and place it back in the safety box. It will automatically be muted once it is on the charging station. Be sure to put it in its charging station again so it can be fully charged to the next user.